Hi guys, welcome to the Finest Food channel. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon to never miss an update. Today we will be making some delicious condensed milk cookies. In a bowl, take 110 grams of semi-cold butter. To that, add 150 grams of all-purpose flour. Start crumbling it with your fingers so they are mixed well. To the mixture, add 60 grams of sweetened condensed milk. Mix this well with a spatula. Start kneading the mixture with your hands to make a dough. If the dough is too sticky, you can add some flour. Add some flour to the base so you can start kneading your dough. Now roll the dough to 1/4 inch thickness. Start cutting out your dough using a cookie cutter. If you don't have a cookie cutter, use anything that is available at home. As you can see, I have used a simple glass for it. You can leave the cookies as it is or cut small holes in half of the cookies. Now line your baking tray with butter paper. Preheat your oven at 160 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes and bake your cookies in the oven at 170 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. Remove your cookies from the oven and let it cool down completely. You can leave your cookies as it is, it tastes great. But you can also top them with jam, condensed milk, chocolate, etc. anything you wish. I'll be coating some of my cookies with jam. I will also use some condensed milk. And your cookies are ready to eat. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe and comment below.